Hello everyone, welcome back to We Learning online maths class. I am Pratima Prajwal, your math guide. We Learning is an online educational platform. We are giving 1 to 10th academic videos. Please like our videos, subscribe to our channel and share to your family and friends. In the last class we have learnt exercise 1.1 problems. We have solved all the exercise 1.1 problems. In this session we are going to solve exercise 1.2 problems. Before that I will give you an example. We will take one rectangle. Rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay. Before that, what is perimeter? Can anyone answer? If you know the answer, please message me in the drop box or chat box. Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of the closed shape. Total length of the boundary of the closed shape. So, for rectangle, what is the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. So, rectangle is having how many sides? The rectangular is having total 4 sides, that is AB, BC, CD and DA. First, we have to take the distance of the each sides, that is AB is equal to, we will take AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to 6 centimeter and DA is equal to 4 centimeter. In the rectangle, the opposite sides should be same. So, we know the value of AB, BC, CD and DA, then we can easily find out the perimeter, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. AB is 6 plus BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 6 centimeter and DA is 4 centimeter. So, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 4 is 20 centimeter. So, the value of perimeter, the perimeter is 20 centimeter. So, in this problem, I will do slight change. What is that? We know the perimeter. So, take the perimeter as 20 centimeter and we will change the values of the sides. In this rectangle, we know only the value of 3 sides. So, 4th side we have to find out the value. What is the distance of the 4th side? Let me check. See, I will erase the distance of DC. So, DC value is unknown. So, we have to find out the value of DC. How can we proceed now? First take P is equal to, same write the formula AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So, now we know the value of perimeter, that is 20. Then what is the value of AB is 6 plus BC is 4 centimeter and CD. CD value, we do not know the value of CD. I will put it the CD as it is and DA is 4. Now 20 is as it is. We have to add all the values. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Then we will keep the CD value as it is. So, we have to find the value of CD. In the equation, we have to find the value of CD. So, the equation will be 20 is equal to 14 plus CD. I have to bring 14 from RHS to LHS. The sign of the 14 is plus. So, if the plus is shifted from RHS to LHS, the plus will become minus. So, 20 minus 14 is equal to CD. 20 minus 14 is equal to CD. Then what is the value of 20 minus 14? 20 minus 14 is 6 is equal to CD. Then now we found out. We have got the answer CD as 6 centimeter. So previously we took CD value as 6 centimeter. Then we found out the perimeter. Then again we used the perimeter and substituted in the equation, and we found out the unknown value or fourth side of distance of the fourth side. Same method we'll use and we'll solve the exercise 1.2 problems. Exercise 1.2. In the exercise 1.2, first question they have given one rectangle. Rectangle P, Q, S and R, and they have given a distance of the sides, that is PQ is equal to 10 centimeter and QS, we have to find out the value of QS. SR is 10 centimeter and RP is 2 centimeter. So, what they have given? They have told, observe the given figure. If its perimeter is 24 centimeter, they have given the perimeter. Perimeter is 24 centimeter. Then what is the value of QS? So, we have to use the second method. In that, we have taken the value of perimeter and we have find the value of QS, right? So, same method we have to continue here, have to do it. So, we know the value of perimeter. First, remember what is perimeter? What is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all the sides of the rectangle. So, we know the value of perimeter. First, before that, first we will write the sides. What are the sides we are having in the rectangle? In this figure, we have the sides, that is PQ, QS, SR and RP, right? So, we have to add all the sides to find out the perimeter. But in this case, they have given a perimeter. What is the value of perimeter? That is 24 centimeter is equal to sum PQ plus QS plus SR plus RP. So, 24 keep as it is. PQ, what is the value of PQ? 10 centimeter plus QS, we have to find out the value of QS. So, write QS as it is and take the value of SR. SR is 10 centimeter plus RP. RP is 2 centimeter. So, 24 write as it is, then add all the values. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22, right? And plus QS same. We have to write the QS same. So, first we have to find out the value of QS, right? What we have to do now? What is the next step? Yes, bring the 22 from RHS to LHS. Then plus 22 will become minus 22. Plus 22, that is 24 is equal, 24 plus 22 will become minus 22 is equal to QS. 24 minus 22. What is the value of 24 minus 22? That is 2. 2 is equal to QS. Then QS is equal to 2 centimeter. What is the value of Q? Q is 2 centimeter. QS is 2 centimeter. The value of QS is 2 centimeter. Without solving the problem, we can find the value of QS. How? See, the given figure is rectangle. I told, what is the property of rectangle? In the rectangle, the opposite sides should be same. That is, PQ is equal to RS. Same way, the PR is equal to QS. If the value of PR is 2 centimeter, so the value of QS is also be 2 centimeter, right? Yes. Then we will solve the second problem. The second question, the diagram is like this. Total how many sides it is having? It is 5 sides. A, E, B, D and C. In this figure, they have given the measurements of the 4 sides and they have given the perimeter. We have to find out the remaining side, that is 5th side. We have to find out the measurement of the 5th side. Okay. So, they have given AE is equal to 3 centimeter, EB is equal to 4 centimeter, BD we have to find out, DC is equal to 8 centimeter and CA is equal to 4 centimeter. So, they have given perimeter. What is the value of perimeter? Perimeter is 24 centimeter. And they have given. First, what we have to do? First, we have to write the given. What is given? Given means what are the things we know. Known values we have to write. That is, we know the value of perimeter and we know the value of 4 sides. That is, AE is equal to 3 centimeter, EB is equal to 4 centimeter, BD we have to find out, DC is equal to 8 centimeter and CA is equal to 4 centimeter. Then after this, what we have to write? We have to write the formula. What is that? P is equal to sum of all the sides, that is AE plus EB plus BD plus DC plus CA and substitute the value. What is the value of P? P is 24 is equal to AE is 3 centimeter plus EB is 4 centimeter plus BD we have to find out, then keep BD as it is, then CD is equal to 8 centimeter plus CA is equal to 4 centimeter. Then add the values. Keep 24 as it is equal to 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 8. What is 7 plus 8? 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus BD. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 is equal to BD. Then what is the next step? Next step is we have to find out the value of BD. So we have to shift the 19 from RHS to LHS. Then the plus 19 will become minus 19. That is 24 minus 19 is equal to BD. 24 minus 19 is equal to BD. What is 24 minus 19? Can anyone tell me the answer? 24 minus 19. How can we find out? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 19 plus 5 is 24. That is 24 minus 19 is 5 is equal to BD. Then what is the value of BD? BD is 5. The value of BD is 5 centimeter. Third question. In the third question, they have given the diagram K, L, M, N. K, L, M, N, and they have given a measurement of LM, that is 7 centimeter. And they have given one condition. What is that condition? In the given figure, they have given the measurement of one side, and if all the sides are equal, then find the value of perimeter. Then find what is the perimeter of the given figure. What is the condition that is? That is the Kn is equal to Nm is equal to Lm is equal to Lk. Right? Kn, Nm, Lm and Lk. All the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, then the diagram is, the name of the diagram is square. The diagram is square, all the sides of the square should be equal, right? So, the value of Lm is 7 centimeter, then the value of Kn is also 7 centimeter, Nm is also 7 centimeter and Lk is also 7 centimeter because they have given the condition. Now, we have to find out the perimeter. What is the formula to find out the perimeter of a square? Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. First, we will write the sides here. Sides of a square is equal to Kn, Nm, Ml and Lk, right? So, we will add it here. First side Kn plus Nm plus Ml plus Lk. So, P is equal to, what is the value of Kn is 7 plus Nm is 7 plus Ml is 7 plus Lk is 7. Now, we have to add all the values, that is P is equal to 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 7 is 21, 21 plus 7 is 28, 28 centimeter, 28 centimeter is the value of perimeter. Perimeter of the given figure, that is perimeter of the KNML is 28 centimeter. So, we have finished, we have completed the exercise 1.2 problems. In the next session, we will be solving exercise 1.3 problems. Before ending the session, I will give you one riddle. What is that? Please look at here. Riddle. What is the riddle? See, the question is, how can you add? How can you add 8 eights? 8 eights to get the number. What is the number? To get the number 1000. See here, you have to add 8 times to get the value 1000. Try it and try to find the answer. I will tell the answer in the next session. I hope you have enjoyed my session. Please like my video, subscribe to our channel and share our videos to your friends and families. We'll meet in the next session. Take care. Bye bye.